Good morning to all students. Today we discuss about the reducible method which is used that equation which is not given in linear equations. We take one question from this type of a question. Here is solve the following pairs of equations by reducible them to linear pair. Question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Both equations are not in a linear pair because of its variable is as a denominator. Therefore, we change into linear pair by taking which variables as a common in both equations. Here we see that 1 by x in common in both equations and 1 by y is also common in both equations. Therefore, we put 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Then this equation becomes 1 by 2u plus 1 by 3v equal to 2. And 1 by 3u plus 1 by 2v equal to 13 by 6. These equations. After solving, here LCM of 2 and 3, 6, and solve this, then it comes 3u plus 2v by 6 equal to 2. That means 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Equation number 1 consider. Again, we take second equations. Here its LCM is 6 and it solved, then it comes 2u plus 3v by 6 equal to 13 by 6. Then this can be written 2u plus 3v equal to 13. This consider as a equation number 1 and 2. We see that both are the linear equation. Therefore, we can solve by any methods which is taught in previous lecture. Here we solve by elimination method. Equation number 1 multiply by 3 and equation number 2 multiply by 2 and subtract. Then what comes? If this first equation is multiplied by 3, then this 3 into 3 9u plus 3 into 2 6v equal to 12 into 3 36. And second equation multiplied by 2, then this 2 into 2 4v, this 4u plus 3 into 2 6v equal to 13 into 2 26. Then we subtract, sign change, this minus, this minus, this minus. Then what comes? 9u minus 4u 5u, 6v cancel, and this 36 minus 26 then 10. Therefore, value of u comes 2. U consider as 1 by x. Therefore, u equal to 1 by x and equal to 2. This can be written x equal to 1 by 2. Again, we put the value of u in equation number 2 in this equation. Then what comes? This 2 into value of u 2. So 2 into 2. Here 2 into 2 plus 3v equal to 13. 2 into 2 4. Then this 4 transpose other side. Then 3v equal to 13 minus 4. This equal to 9. And v equal to 9 by 3. That means 3. Therefore, y equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, its solution x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. Play. Homework from exercise 3.6. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a linear pair. Here is 4 questions. These 4 questions all has a default types. In equation number 1, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Here we see that root x and root y both are common in both equations. Therefore, we consider root x as any variables and root y as another variables. In question number 2, here is we see that 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Here is 3x plus y and 3x minus y is common in both equation. Therefore, we consider as another variables and then we solve to make linear pair. In this question, 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. First at all, we divide all term by xy. Then it change into reducible form and then we make another variable to form linear pair. And in this last question, only one term has 1 by x. Therefore, we consider 1 by x as another variables and then it form in a linear pair and solve it.